When you receive the cube, look at the bottom two rows, make sure those are complete. And then your goal is to get a cross on the top side of the cube. What you're going to do is look at the center color and see if any of the middle edge pieces have that same color as the center square. If none of the middle edge pieces have the same color as the center square, then you're just going to start from any position. As long as that center square is facing the ceiling, and you're going to do this pattern. This pattern is called the top cross pattern. After you do it one time, in this case we have two edge pieces that have the same color as the center square. When you have that situation, what you want to do is turn the cube so that those two pieces basically form a backward L, if you will. Just turn the whole cube to the side until they form a backward L right here. So once you have that backward L with that center color facing the ceiling, go ahead and perform this top cross pattern. After doing the pattern, you'll get it in the horizontal position. Now, you may receive the cube from the previous group and it's already horizontal like this. If that's the case, that's fine. You just have to do this pattern one time. But you want to make sure that it's not vertical like this. If you start it from there, you'll mess it up. Make sure it's horizontal. Now just do the top cross pattern one more time and you will have a cross on the top side. Let's watch it in action. The top side doesn't have any middle pieces with the same color center square, so it doesn't matter where we start from. We're going to introduce a new move here. Imagine that front is the face of the cube. This is turning the cube front face right. So with only one center square that has that center color, none of the middles do, we're going to go ahead and do the top cross pattern right here. So the first move of the pattern is front face right. The next move is the right column up, top row left, right column down, top row to the right, front face left. Now you're going to have two adjacent squares. Make sure they're lined up in the backward L, and then you're going to perform the pattern once again. And when you finish it this time, you'll have two that are horizontal. Make sure that you keep these in the horizontal position. Do the pattern one more time, and when you finish it off this time, you'll have a cross. There you go. So when you receive the cube, if you see that you already have a cross, then you're done. You've already finished. Make sure when you hand this off to the next group that you hand it with the cross facing the ceiling. You're good to go.